Okay.
This is our 1980.
7 or something?
Yeah.
5 to 7?
E30 325E automatic with a lot of rust. We picked it up for $300, and yeah, that's pretty much the best I can say about it.
All right, let's show them inside. Did you say it was running and driving?
Yeah, it runs and drives.
Yeah.
Perfectly. Okay, that's a little understatement.
Actually, it started up perfectly both times we did it.
That's true.
Auto, unfortunately.
Yeah,
Blue interior. Nice back seats. Good door panels. Headliner's good.
A good headrest too.
One good headrest. What else? Oh, we got this one spot of rust out here.
Yeah.
Here's the worst of it.
The gas pedal is loose. So.
Gas pedal, you can probably tell by looking at it, not really connected to the floor. Door panels. Open to this hood. Nice engine bay. No rust.
Yep, really clean.
Clean. Fender that we're gonna fix, right?
Yeah, the red kind of just stands up.
Yeah. Painted some similar silver blue and then try to patina it. Maybe we'll make a video on that.
Has a nice pinstripe on it. I like that.
Sick pinstripe. Check that out. All the way down the car. Around. Super nice right here. Yep. And then brand new brakes.
Yeah, it came with brand new brakes on it.
Thanks for the brakes, Reese.
The frame rails are pretty good on it too, actually.
Yeah, frame rails don't seem to have any rust on them. I don't know. Yeah, in here is pretty spotless. Some rusty springs. Maybe put some H&R springs or something on it.
Yeah.
Show the trunk. I was looking at my key for it last night, and it's about to snap in half. So you might want to watch yours. There's nothing to see in here. Really not that much rust besides the usual battery tray, which isn't even falling off, so that's good. No strut tower rust. Here, you might be able to see underneath it here. What we got going on.
Diff leaks a tiny bit. But
yeah.
not bad. Oh, LSD. 410.
Oh yeah, 410 LSD. But battery tray rust really isn't that bad.
Which is weird because that's common.
Yeah, like it's still solid. That's strange. Pretty clean underneath the car, honestly. Diff is leaking, but it's from the 80s, so kind of to be expected. Yeah. Anyway, not bad.
Not a bad car.
Oh, not a bad car at all.
Came with some extra parts that we threw away.
Yeah, threw away tons of parts, including whatever you call this thing. I forget what they're called. Front valance.
I'm gonna name it valance, balance, whatever.
I'm gonna tip it up real quick. Get a video of it.
I might have to call it.
This guy, apparently worth like $100.
Yeah.
So
it wasn't exactly.
I think you should
fold it in half.
Put it on your car. You need a bumper anyway.
Look at this.
Yeah. Dude, I like it. I think it looks pretty good on there. Honestly, yeah, just leave it like that. Put the front lip too.
Yeah, we got a lip.
Got a lip, not broken, mint condition.
$500.
500. OBO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Charge $2.
Don't lowball us. We know what we have. Yeah. Oh, we got the fender too.
Beautiful fender.
Anybody wants that? One of one.
Yeah, it came dented from BMW. So
Yeah.
don't try to.
If you guys didn't know, E30s came with a slim body, wide body, and M3 body. This is our slim bodied one.
Pretty flat.
Yeah, pretty flat.
We're good at metal work.
That's $6,000 OBO. Please don't lowball us.
Yeah. We'll leave our Our PayPal in the description.
Yeah, PayPal in the description. Yeah. Friends and family, not business PayPal. We're not gonna steal your money, trust us.
And we have this other beautiful E36. It's got a little bit back there. It's kind of junky.
Yeah, whole floor rusted out. Just kidding.
Don't scare me. I had to think about it. Like, wait.
Anyway, yeah, that's our E30 though.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. All right.